Hi, this is Fazana again. Welcome to yet another topic on the Fazmaths channel. In this video, we'll learn all about the basic concepts of polygons. Polygon comes from a Greek word which denotes a shape that has many sides. Let's learn the names of the polygons you need to be familiar with. Okay, so the number of sides, 3 sides is a triangle, 4 is a quadrilateral, 5 is a pentagon, 6 is a hexagon, 7 is a heptagon, 8 is an octagon, 9 is a nonagon, 10 is a decagon, and 12 is a dodecagon. If you're Greek, then it's really easy to remember this because it's more or less the numbers. But otherwise, try and remember the old Roman calendar, where March was the first month when Julius Caesar was assassinated. So October was the 8th month. So it's octagon. November is the next month. They didn't want to call it novagon, so they called it nonagon. December, decagon. And dodecagon is 2 months after December. Yeah. The month before October is September. They didn't want to call it septagon, so they called it heptagon. Okay, and that sounds nothing like August. All right, so you must learn these off by heart. All right. Okay. Now, in order to find the sum of the interior angles in any polygon, we've got the number of sides here, and the number of triangles in a triangle, of course, is just 1, and then you go 1 times 180, so the sum of the interior angles is 180. Yeah, interior angles means the ones inside. Okay. Number of sides 4 in any quadrilateral, and the least amount of triangles you can get would be 2 in there, so you've got 2. So you've got 2 triangles, so 2 times 180 is 360. And you're virtually learning your 180 times tables. Smart, huh? Okay, the least amount of triangles you can get in here, and the lines mustn't cross. So you've got 3. So then you've got 3 times 180 equals 540. Yeah, when you're adding 180 to any number, add 200 and then take away 20. So you get 560 minus 20 is 540. Yeah. Okay. The least amount of triangles, so you've got 1 there, 2 there, and then you've got a quadrilateral, so you have 2 more, so that's 4. So then you've got 4 times 180, which is just 2 lots of 360, which is 720. Okay, so you can see the connection here. Can you see we take the number of sides and we go minus 2, and we get the number of triangles. So it's always the number of sides minus 2. So for a general polygon with n number of sides, you just go n minus 2 times 180. And that will give you the sum of the angles. Okay, yeah, it's easy, isn't it, when you've drawn it to actually remember the formula. Sometimes when I get given a formula, I try to find where it actually came from, and then I'm not actually remembering the formula, I'm remembering the logic or the fun behind it. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a pentagon. Okay, so the sum of the angles, and this is a regular pentagon, so all the sides are the same and all the angles are the same. Yeah. If it's an irregular one, then the sum of the angles will be the same, but each angle won't be the same. All right, so the sum of the angles, you've got n minus 2 times 180 So then you've got 5 minus 2 times 180, which is 3. So you've got 540. Okay, now each one of these is called the interior angle, and being regular, they're all the same. So each interior angle here will be, you've got 5 of them, which is exactly the number of sides as well. So every interior angle will be the sum of your angles divided by your number of sides. Okay, so these are the formulas you just need to know. Okay, so your sum is 540 divided by your number of sides, which is the same as the number of angles, which is 108 degrees. All right, yeah, so that's 108. Your exterior angles are these ones here, and as I'm drawing them, you can see that every interior and exterior angle lie on a straight line, so they add up to 180. So your exterior angle is 180 minus your interior angle. Okay, so that's your next formula. So that would give you 180 minus 108, and that's 72. Okay? Okay. The other thing you need to know is all exterior angles add up to 360. Okay, so my favorite formula is the exterior angle is 360 divided by your number of sides, yeah, which is 360 divided by 5, which gives you 72. So can you see that's exactly the same? Yeah. So if somebody asks me to find the exterior angle of a polygon, I'm not actually going to go the long route. I'm just going to use this formula. If somebody asks me the interior angle, I'm first going to find the exterior angle, and then I'm going to go 180 minus the exterior angle, and I'll get the interior angle. So it's only if the question actually asks for the sum of angles do I actually go that route. All right, okay, let's try another one. Okay, so here we have a regular octagon. Okay, so let's go through it again. The sum of angles equals n minus 2 times 180. So you've got 8 minus 2, so 6 times 180. 3 times 180 was 540, so double that would be 1080. Yeah, all right. Okay, so my interior angle is the sum of my angles, which is 1080 divided by 8. Okay, 8 into 10 is 1, remainder 2, 8 into 28 is 3, remainder 4, 8 into 40 is 5. So my interior angle is 135. Okay, my exterior angle would be 180 minus the 135, which would be 45 degrees. All right, cool. And let's just check my exterior angle, because I know all exterior angles add up to 360. So 360 divided by 8 equals 8 into 36 is 4, remainder 4, 8 into 40 is 5. Okay, and that's a brilliant check for that. Yeah, all right, good. Okay, so the formulae you need to know is the sum of the interior angles is n minus 2 times 180. The interior angle is the sum of the angles divided by the number of sides. The interior angle plus exterior angle is 180, and your exterior angle is 360 divided by your number of sides. All right? Okay, testing time. Find the interior, exterior, and interior angles of the following regular polygons with n sides. You can pause the video, try and do it by yourself, and then in the next slide, we'll actually go through it. Okay, so your exterior angle is 360 divided by 5, which is 72. And then your interior angle is 180 minus the 72 is 108. Exterior angle, 360 divided by the number of sides, which is 6. And then you get 60. And you know 180 minus your exterior angle will give you your interior angle. Yeah? 360 divided by 8 is 45, and then 180 minus 45 is 135. 360 divided by 9 in a nonagon, so every exterior angle will be 40, and then the interior will be 180 minus 40 is 140. In a decagon, 360 divided by 10 is 36, and then the interior is 180 minus 36 is 144. In a dodecagon, 360 divided by 12 is 30, and then 180 minus 30 is 150. All right? Okay, that's all for now. It was simple. Just learn your formulae, because you know that any exam question will require you to know all of them. And again, try to do the shortcut way, so finding the exterior angle first, and then finding your interior angle, if that's what you're asked. Yeah, either one of them. Okay. I hope by drawing the polygons and splitting them into triangles helps remember the sum of the angles in any polygon. In part 2, we will tackle some exam-style questions. Keep working hard. It's so worth it. And remember, you're in control. Until next time, take care. Bye.